Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, the second day of May, 2023. We have here one regular puzzle, and it's medium Sudoku. And we have good news. In today's newspaper, we have an additional with extra puzzles. But those puzzles, well, question is, are they interesting? We have here the letter Sudoku with 29 printed digits. Well, should be a 0 star. Well, we have no stars here. This one has also no stars. Has 28 printed digits. Maybe 1 star. Alright. Then we have a Sudoku with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cypherblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the binary puzzle. And this one has, I believe, 16 printed digits. Well, good news for the binary lovers. Less than 30, less than 20 printed digits. This one has 16. Alright. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I will do 4 of them. Well, it's a pity that the publisher has changed this one. The 3 stars is gone. It's instead a 1 star, I believe, here. But first, let me start with this one. This one is a medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 6367. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, let me check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. 29. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 29 printed digits. Well, no stars. Well, I don't think this is a 3 stars, 2 stars, or 1 star puzzle. 0 star because it has 29 printed digits. So it's changed. The publisher has changed the medium Sudoku. Normally there are 26 printed digits, this time 29. Well, alright, so let's get started. We have 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left, for the 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. Last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this last row. No 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Let me count, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9, number 8. Okay, and now, 3, and 7. Yeah, no, 7. We have a 3 there. Let me think. 5. Alright, we have a 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, no, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there, 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 in the row below. So no 7 there, so the only place left for the 7 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Wait. Okay. 4 and 1. 4. Let me think. How about the next, the 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column, so the column next. So only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, okay. Cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. Insufficient information. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. Then 6. Then 4. 4. I'm thinking. Come on. 4. 9. 8. 1, 2 numbers. 8 and 6, I believe. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So no row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, though, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay. 8. Alright. 8. Cannot continue with the 8 now. How about 4, 3, and then 5. 3 and 6, 5 and 1. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. Alright. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. This should be the 6. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. 6, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, okay. Then the 4 to 5, the 2, 4, 5, 2, 1. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the first column, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in the third column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4, 4. Okay. 1, 1. 1 1 4 4 4 5 3. Two missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 4. Alright. Okay. 1 box left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. 3, 3. 3 in the 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the second row. Oh, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 1 and a 5. 1 box left in this big square for the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6, 6, oh, 8, 6, 2, 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So the row between the only place left for 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2 and 5, 2 and 5, 1 and no, 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 5 and 2. 5 and 3. Well, okay, 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for number 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 40 minutes. Well, 29, no stars, 0 stars. Should be faster than 50 minutes. We have 14, 15 minutes. Alright. I like this one, but yeah, is an easy one. First time a medium Sudoku has 29 printed digits. Well, okay. Thank you for watching. And yeah, have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional of today. Until then, bye bye for now.